it's a really soft ride, this fiberglass, eh? Oh, I love it. You know it's like that. But yeah, I mean, it's fine when it starts like this, and then if it gets up, you go up the river a bit. It's no problem.
Yeah.
It's a good thing about calm water fishing. There's always an option.
Yeah.
Offshore is a little snapper.
Little snapper.
And that's a silver biddy. Silver biddy, they're called. Basically like a bait fish. Whiting like a ting. Oh yeah, not a bad whiting. They're there.
Over the boat.
It's right in the shallows, on top of the bank. You don't get as many tiny pickers. Yeah, that's one good thing about it. But
So what's that, Clint?
that's a sand whiting. See that concave fin like that? Sort of cuts down.
Oh yeah.
Whereas a winter whiting, you'll see a bit deeper normally. They get rounded fin, dorsal fin on top.
So it's sand whiting.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And they hardly ever get the winter whiting on top of the banks here. They like to stay a bit deeper.
Gotcha.
They call them diver whiting or winter whiting. Oh, there's another little whiting. Let him go. Little sand whiting. It's good activity. Wait long enough for them to load up and then strike hard and set the hook. Oh, a little floaty. There you go. Lots of fish around. Little dusky.
Hey, Sal.
Little whiting.
Might have to check mine. I've been a bit.
Yeah. Little sand whiting. Let him go. Exactly like that. And that's definitely a whiting.
Yeah.
Kick close to the boat, eh? Sporty fish. And nice. Yeah. It's a fantastic whiting fishery, this Gold Coast, this end of the Gold Coast. Gee. Definitely a sand whiting. Definitely swallowed it. Something about the lead up to full moon, they really can bite their heads off, eh? Keep that one, I reckon. I'll measure it. Grab him around the head. You're doing well.
Is that what?
Is he chasing it? Oh yeah. Fun little fellas. Guess you didn't swallow it. Let him go. Gee, there's good schools around, eh? Yeah.
I don't know if it's my baiting method or something.
I don't know. You get runs. Everyone seems to get like runs where they get the bites, eh? And then seems alright, eh? That's it. Take your time. Go nice and easy. Some of them are good fish, and you just got to, soft hands. Don't force them. Floaty or whiting? Oh, brim. Very lively brim. Yeah, they always feel bigger than they are, but you do get some nice brim on these flats. And very nice, clean colour. Fun to catch. Hard fighting. Nice fish. Brim. Little brim. Spiky little things, eh? I'll get them now. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do. There you go, good yabby. Got a couple there. Might get another one yet. Do one more pump and then move on. Hardly ever more than 5 pumps. There we go. That's it. Right next to the sieve, so you're not reaching. That's it.
Come on, muscles. Get in here. Quick.
The guy that Shane that used to pump them for the shops here used to get between 1,000 and 3,000 a day.
Holy hell.
Just the hundreds, like you're sort of stuffed afterwards, eh? Lost one. Oh well, they're there. That looks a bit bigger. Yeah, it's fighting like one. Yeah, not bad. Not the monsters yet that come as the tide gets down, but they're there. Bit of a school there. Oh, nice whiting. They're pretty dominant when they're there in numbers. They sort of boss out the smaller stuff. Yeah, just make sure you wait long enough for them to get that hook fully in their mouth, guys. If you start striking too early, you miss them 9 times out of 10. Wait for that big pull down, and even then go towards them and let them have it a bit more. So I'll crush those yabbies first, then eat them, and they don't have teeth, so they've got to crush them before they swallow them. They've sort of got rough mouths. Yeah. Oh, jeez, good fish. It was fighting like a good whiting. Well, they're biting. A lot more aggressive bite than recent days. They're cool fish, eh? I like them more than brim. Yeah, up the river you get some real big ones. Yeah, grab it with the rag there, Scott. They will definitely still get you. Oh, snapper. All the variety.
One second snapper this size.
Yeah. They're definitely breeding. Be a little bit better. Some good fish there. Getting a bit bigger. It's not bad. Not quite Chambers level, but it's getting better. Swallowed the hook.
Still the same. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah,
Not a bad fish too. Bit of a bend in the rod. Bit of a head shake, yeah. Not bad. He was sitting there eating it. Fish. Funny sort of size, eh? In between sort of size.
Yeah, not big, not small.
There'll be some bigger ones around somewhere. Buddy. That's feeding for a bigger one. Big mix of sizes there, eh? That looks a bit better. A little bit better. Yeah. Measure them. There's a lot of like this sort of size, eh? School size. Seems a bit better. A better, bigger whiting, I reckon. On our brim. Yeah. Oh, no, that's good whiting. A little bit foul hooked, so I seemed a bit bigger, but better. Heaps, yeah. Heaps of fish. Yeah, getting better. It's not bad. Nice fish. It is. Healthy. Ooh, big schoolie now, eh? Gee. Starting to bite hard. Oh, Taiwan. They always get me jumping every time. Look. Yeah, they often do. They swipe at it. Yeah. That was a massive whiting or something when I first saw your rod bending, Sean. Staying down lower like a whiting. They hold their ground, eh? Oh, nice. Ooh. That's better.
That's a fun whiting.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Lovely. It's got to be 30 or above. Just beautiful, eh? looks beautiful. Another one there. I'll measure it. What's that? I know. I love the way they fight. It's 30, right on 30. Yeah, double hook up. Put in like a ting. I know. Taiwan. Was a Taiwan there, so no grade loss. There is, yeah.
Sort of swimming with me.
Yeah.
I think he is a Taiwan.
Taiwan. Snapper.
Little snapper.
Yeah. They are beautiful fish, aren't they? Yeah. Hopefully a decent whiting. Still boats. Swing around in the wind a bit, yeah. Staying down low. Surely that's a... Oh, he's coming up now. Foul hook Taiwan. Come back over the top. That's it. Yeah. Whoa, buddy. Taiwan, I reckon. Yeah. There's got to be some whiting around here somewhere. Oh, that looks a bit better. Did it? Could be if there's one there. If there's one there, there's more. Yeah, alright. See how it is, yeah. Off to Taiwan, yeah. Move again in a minute if we keep getting them. The sand whiting seems to be down that end today, yeah? And they all move at times. Like some days they'll hang around here all day. I reckon we'll keep going back this way and fish some parts of this area we haven't fished yet, I reckon.
Yeah.
Oh, it keeps coming back, eh? Yeah. More Taiwan, gee. They come through. Come through in numbers. What's Jimmy got there? Snag? Snag or something? It's not moving. Break off. I'll give you another rod. Tie another trace on. Let's use that for now and I'll put another trace on this one. Just go back a little bit so you don't get that same snag again. Oh, fish on. Hope it's not a Taiwan. Fighting a bit more. Fighting like a nice whiting. Oh yeah. Oh, they're beautiful things. Beautiful little thing. It's come up. Snapper. The whiting. Feisty whiting. Quite a nice rod there. Might get some more of those.
Nice rod.
Yeah. Just a soft enough tip. Oh, little bugger. Oh no. They do. They always do. Bloody Taiwan. Whiting. Yeah. Good fish. Oh, yeah. not. Yeah. Oh, nice whiting. Yeah. Get the better quality ones towards low tide. Hopefully a few more there. Yeah. Oh, another wintry. Yeah. Yeah. If you get a few in a row, keep them. What? Wintry. Got to school it in there. Oh no, is that a... Yeah, no. Summery or wintry? I'll have a look. It's winter. That's not bad size for a winter whiting. Sort of ones in Watson Bay, they'll catch 100 and keep them. The old fellas, they love them. So prolific. See that? Oh no, that is a sand whiting. Yeah. Yeah. They look similar, the skin colour. Yeah. Hopefully there's a sand whiting there, some bigger ones. Better one? Hopefully. Oh, back. Oh, it's another sand whiting, but wrapped up the tail. Wow. How'd you do that, buddy? Yeah. Little sand whiting, yeah. Got to be some bigger ones around. It makes it look bigger, but could be a sand whiting. Oh, they're there now. They found us. Oh, a bit better whiting. Snapper. Yeah. Yeah. Thought there'd be some bigger ones there. Nice fish. There you go. First the little ones, then the bigger ones. That's a nice one. Well done. Snapper and whiting hanging out together. Hey, another nice sand whiting. Swallowed the hook. You get sometimes you're just on that school, eh? They'll usually hang around for a while, then move. Little sand whiting. Ooh, good bite. Nice. Oh, nice fish, Jimmy. Nice fish. Smashing them.
I reckon I've definitely got 30.
You'd have to. Yeah, winter whiting. Wintry. Oh, skinny fella. Still got that school there.
This is only tiny.
Tiny, eh? Winter whiting. Oh yeah, little sand whiting. Yeah, throw it back.
Oh, jeez.
Little sand whiting. The little fellas are back. Oh, that's not bad. You got bigger. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice. That's a decent sized winter whiting. Gee, that's big for a winter whiting. So that's the rounded dorsal fin. That's the size you get here in winter. The old fellas in Watson Bay. Not big, but it's another number. A fairly good bite today. Oh, wintry. Swallowed it. Keep him if he swallowed it, and it's a winter whiting. Much, yep.
Probably has like twice the power of that bigness. I could do with one of those.
Wow.
You get little flatty. What do you got here? Wintry. Cheeky monkeys. Yeah, wintry. Snapper. Snapper. Yuck. I'll grab him with the pliers. Those horrible green sea toad things. Another species. Yes. Squeaking more like it. Oh yeah. Seems decent size, eh? Moving around a bit. What is it? Oh, it's like a trevally. Big eyed. Oh, it's a scared. Torpedo scared. They look like trevally. It's another species.
Torpedo scared.
Yeah. Oh no. What is it? Snapper? Oh, another. That's a yucca. Another species.
Yes, we've got 10 species.
That's cold. I love yucca.
Oh,
Just look at him, Jimmy.
oh, I side hooked him.
There'll be more there. There's one there, there'll be more. Ooh.
Got him this time.
Yeah. Stay on. What is it? It's got a bit of head shaking. Bloody. Oh, nice whiting. Oh, not bad. Yeah, nice enough. Look pretty solid.
I need to take a bit of getting used to this.
It's so light.
Over it.
Yeah. Whiting maybe. It's kicking down. Yeah. Winter whiting. Winter whiting. Oh, you got him. Hey, hey.
Got one, Jimmy. Come
Yes, got one on the stream. Little winter whiting.
on. Cool on a little light rod.
Guts is it, those things. Fun rod.